In 2025, building multiple streams of income has become more important than ever for achieving financial stability and independence. Relying on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable to unexpected changes in the economy or job market. By diversifying your earnings, you can better manage risks such as job loss, rising living costs, and economic uncertainties. Multiple income streams not only provide a safety net, but also open up opportunities for personal growth and wealth accumulation. This approach empowers individuals to take greater control over their financial future and adapt to changing circumstances with confidence. Diversifying your income sources is a practical strategy to safeguard your financial well-being in an unpredictable world. Relying on a single job or income stream can leave you vulnerable to sudden changes, such as layoffs or industry downturns. By creating multiple streams of income, you reduce your dependence on any one source, making it easier to weather periods of job insecurity. Additionally, with the cost of living steadily rising and economic uncertainties becoming more common, having varied income channels can help you maintain your standard of living. This approach not only provides a safety net, but also opens up opportunities for financial growth and independence. Ultimately, income diversification empowers you to adapt to changing circumstances with greater confidence and resilience. Freelancing and consulting offer flexible and accessible ways to generate income by utilizing your existing skills. Whether you excel in writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, there is a growing demand for these services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. By specializing in a particular niche, you can attract targeted clients and command higher rates for your expertise. These platforms connect you with a global client base, allowing you to work on diverse projects from anywhere. Building a strong portfolio and maintaining positive client relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals, further enhancing your earning potential. As the gig economy expands, freelancing and consulting continue to be reliable options for creating multiple streams of income. Creating and selling digital products is an effective way to generate passive income in 2025. Start by identifying a topic or skill you're knowledgeable about and consider what type of product, such as an ebook, online course, template, or printable, would best serve your target audience. Once your product is developed, you can use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy to reach a global customer base. These platforms handle payment processing and delivery, making it easier to manage sales with minimal ongoing effort. High-quality digital products can continue to earn income long after their initial creation. To maximize your success, focus on solving specific problems or fulfilling needs within your niche. Regularly updating your offerings and engaging with your audience can help sustain and grow your passive income over time. Monetizing content through blogging and content creation has become a popular way to generate income online. By consistently publishing valuable articles or videos, creators can attract a dedicated audience. Once a following is established, revenue can be earned through advertising, where platforms like Google AdSense display ads on your site or channel. Sponsorships offer another avenue, as brands may pay to feature their products or services in your content. Affiliate marketing is also effective, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting products and sharing referral links with your audience. Over time, these strategies can create multiple streams of income, especially as your content library and audience grow. Dividend investing is a strategy that focuses on purchasing assets that regularly pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. This can include individual stocks, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, and real estate investment trusts, known as REITs. These investments provide a steady stream of income through periodic dividend payments, which can offer stability even during market fluctuations. By choosing to reinvest dividends rather than withdrawing them, investors can take advantage of compounding, where earnings generate their own earnings over time. This approach can significantly accelerate the growth of your wealth. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, dividend investing offers a practical path toward long-term financial goals. Real estate offers a range of opportunities for generating income and building wealth. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income through monthly rent payments, while also benefiting from the potential appreciation of property values over time. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow individuals to invest smaller amounts in larger real estate projects. This method enables investors to diversify their portfolios and participate in the real estate market without the need to directly manage properties. Both rental properties and crowdfunding can serve as valuable components of a diversified income strategy, offering the potential for both regular cash flow and long-term growth. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to generate income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. The first step is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has a strong demand, as this helps attract a dedicated audience. Once your niche is selected, focus on building traffic to your website or platform through strategies like search engine optimization, content creation, and social media engagement. As your audience grows, you can join affiliate programs and incorporate referral links into your content. Success in affiliate marketing depends on providing genuine value, selecting reputable products, and building trust with your audience. Over time, consistent effort can lead to a steady stream of commissions and a reliable source of income. Monetizing your expertise through online courses and coaching has become increasingly accessible in recent years. By sharing your knowledge in a structured format, you can reach a global audience eager to learn new skills. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy provide user-friendly tools that simplify the process of creating, marketing, and delivering courses. For those who prefer a more personalized approach, offering one-on-one or group coaching sessions via video calls can be highly effective. These methods not only generate income, but also help you establish authority in your field. With minimal upfront investment, online education offers a scalable and flexible way to diversify your income. Launching an e-commerce business in 2025 offers a flexible way to generate income by selling physical products online. With print-on-demand and dropshipping models, you can avoid the challenges of managing large inventories and upfront costs. These approaches allow you to fulfill orders directly through suppliers who handle production and shipping on your behalf. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your online store and reach a broad customer base. By focusing on unique or trending products, you can carve out a niche in the competitive online marketplace. This strategy reduces financial risk and enables you to scale your business efficiently as demand grows. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer a modern way for individuals to lend money directly to borrowers, bypassing traditional banks. By joining platforms such as Lending Club or Prosper, you can choose to fund loans in small increments, earning interest as borrowers repay their debts. The process typically involves creating an account, reviewing borrower profiles, and selecting loans that match your risk tolerance and financial goals. To manage risk, it's important to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers rather than concentrating your funds in a single loan. Many platforms also provide credit ratings and historical data to help you make informed decisions. By carefully selecting loans and spreading your investments, you can enhance your chances of earning steady returns while minimizing potential losses. High-interest savings accounts and fixed deposits play a crucial role in a diversified income strategy by providing a secure and stable foundation for your finances. Unlike more volatile investments, these options offer predictable returns and safeguard your principal, making them ideal for risk-averse individuals. In 2025, some banks are offering competitive interest rates that help your savings outpace inflation. ensuring your money retains its value over time. While they may not deliver the highest yields compared to other income streams, their reliability and liquidity make them an essential component of any balanced portfolio. By allocating a portion of your assets to these secure vehicles, you can protect your wealth from market fluctuations and maintain financial flexibility. To strategically implement multiple income streams in 2025, begin by assessing your current skills and resources to identify areas where you can add value. Start with 1 or 2 streams, such as freelancing or selling digital products, and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence. Diversify your efforts by combining active income sources like consulting or coaching with passive options such as dividend investing or creating online courses. Use reputable platforms to reach a broader audience and automate processes where possible to maximize efficiency. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies based on market trends and personal goals. By balancing risk and opportunity across different streams, you can build a resilient financial foundation and move closer to financial independence. In summary, building multiple streams of income is a powerful strategy for achieving financial security and independence. By combining active pursuits like freelancing, consulting, and e-commerce with passive options such as dividend investing, digital products, and real estate, you can create a balanced and resilient financial portfolio. Leveraging your unique skills and interests allows you to diversify your earnings and reduce reliance on any single source. As the economic landscape continues to evolve, proactive financial planning and adaptability are essential. Taking deliberate steps today can help you navigate uncertainties and lay the groundwork for a more stable and prosperous future.